So, how do we use the Book Sterilizer?
Open the Book Sterilizer.
Put books in. Can sterilize up to 12 books at a time. Close the Book Sterilizer. Timer automatically starts. The machine will sterilize for 45 seconds. Do not open while it is still sterilizing. Remove the books. Remember to close the sterilizer. What should you not do? Don't sterilize personal belongings. Don't throw rubbish. Don't put wet books.
You are welcome to visit Kidsploration Library. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.